Hare Krishna, dear devotees. It is Dwadasi, early in the morning, just after Nirjala Ekadashi, that the devotees in Radhadesh have celebrated in great vigor with community japa. Many devotees chanted all day long. It was a wonderful day of auspiciousness. Now on Dwadasi, we are doing our final preparations, and on Trayodasi we will be starting the foundation of the Vani village in the Vaikuntha gardens. And these are the sacred items that are going to be placed in the foundation. This here is the Vastu Yantra, which is going to create auspicity for the building. Any shortcomings that might be there from a Vastu point of view have been nullified by the installation of this Vastu Yantra. Here, inside the Kailash, it's a centennial Kailash of Srila Prabhupada from 1996, it's in silver. We have placed Ananta Shesh. We worshipped Ananta Shesh and all these items at the groundbreaking ceremony in the Bhumi Puja on the 3rd of June, last Friday. We have placed Ananta Shesh in here. We've also placed the silver coin of Srila Prabhupada, the 125th birth anniversary coin that was minted by the government of India. And we've placed the Vanipedia gold coin of Srila Prabhupada. Inside we've placed 9 sacred precious jewels. We've placed 9 precious jewels and 9 grains, which represent the 9 planets. And we're going to be placing under the ground the conch shell as well. And we'll be placing these 5 bricks, which all represent auspicity for they've been worshipped and for the whole project to develop. So that'll be done on Trayodasi, tomorrow, the 13th of June. Hare Krishna.
Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Govinda 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 Purva Bhakta Guna Visheshana Vishishtayam Asyam Shubharita Shri Bhagavad-gita Bhagavad-gita Rupam Panchashila Stapanam Karishye. O Vastu, I situated on the earth facing downwards. You are the life force of this world.
Namaham Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Pastichadisha Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Shiva Sadguru Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna.
Sangha